The first thing you'll want to do is to remove the old hot stamp material from the peeling buttons. You should completely remove the material from the face of the button, otherwise you'll be able to see a lack of continuity on the button face when the repair is done. The tool he's using is simply a small flathead screwdriver that is a bit blunt, but sharp enough at the edges to scrape the old hot stamp off. You want to wipe this down with a mild alcohol-based solvent. Using a piece of clear transfer tape, you simply adhere it firmly to the graphic you want to pull off the sheet. Incidentally, if you are using the colored graphics, you will need to cut them off the sheet since they come with transfer tape already applied. Keep in mind that if the button you are repairing has its own status light, you should also weed the knockout out of the graphic before putting the transfer tape down on top. You simply center the graphic to the button that needs to be repaired and push down firmly to ensure good adhesion. Remove the transfer tape. You're almost done. You can see that he's using a small heating element on low, about 250 degrees. If you do not own a small heat gun like this one, it's okay. You can use a regular hair dryer. Just get it nice and close for a few seconds, and either using your finger or a small brush, even a toothbrush if you want, you push those edges around the button.